Ast Grep is a handy command line tool designed for developers to search for specific patterns within their source code files. It proves to be particularly useful for those working on large software projects who need to find particular code patterns within their codebase. When it comes to installation, a common approach is to install Ast Grep using Python's pip within a virtual environment. This method ensures a clean and isolated installation. Imagine you're working on a complex software project and you need to identify all instances where a specific function is being called. In such a scenario, Ast Grep comes to the rescue by enabling you to search through all the source code files in your project swiftly and accurately, and locate every place where that function is being utilized. This efficient search capability saves you significant time and effort compared to manually scouring through each file. By setting up rules in Ast Grep, you can automate the process of scanning your repository for such patterns, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient codebase. To streamline the rule execution process, Ast Grep provides a scan command that enables you to apply multiple rules to your repository without the need to input the pattern query repeatedly. Moreover, Ast Grep offers integration with Vim as a language server protocol, LSP. This integration allows code lines that match the defined rules to be highlighted within the editor in real time, providing immediate feedback and enhancing your coding workflow. This feature ensures that you can easily identify and address code patterns that need attention while coding in Vim. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you found it beneficial, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Explore the links in the description for more valuable insights.